Welcome to the fx-991CW Plus UK specific handset. In this video, we will introduce you to the new features and functionality updates that have been implemented in response to teacher feedback, with the intention to provide the best scientific calculator for UK teachers and students. We will start by looking at the new default settings. The first thing to notice is that the existing apps in the home menu have been reordered to prioritise functionality for the UK curriculum. For example, the first page has moved Equation below Calculate for easier access. It also now includes the Inequality app. These changes reflect requests from teachers with regards to the app's regular use in lessons. The home menu also now has app shortcuts. These have been reinstated to make navigation quicker and easier. To facilitate more efficient use of the calculator, all other menus such as Catalogue also have shortcuts. These shortcuts are on by default, but can be turned off in Settings if scrolling is preferred, by selecting Show Option Numbers. The digit separator was such a popular setting for making calculated values easier to read that it has now been set to On by default. It is, however, still optional and can be turned off in Settings. In the Statistics app, when entering either 1 or 2 variable data, the frequency column is now shown without the need to be selected, enabling faster input. If required, it can still be turned off in Tools. In Table, only the f of x column is now shown initially. Evaluation of a single function is therefore simplified, as it requires only f of x to be defined first, before inputting values. This avoids the need to change the table type from both f of x and g of x to avoid error messages. The option to evaluate 2 functions is still available in Tools. In line with the changes to the default options for separators, frequency, and f of x columns, the fx-991CW Plus UK specific handset has been updated to provide consistent functionality across the range of scientific ClassWiz handsets. This means that the features of the fx-83 GT-CW are now included. The default number format has therefore changed, altering the output display. The default is now Norm 2, as a result of requests to view full decimals instead of exponentials for small calculated values, as shown in the emulator. The option to use Norm 1 remains. The MathBox app has been expanded to include the missing options in the same order. Number line has been added and allows inequalities and equations to be entered and represented as graphs. Circle is included as well. This allows investigation of angles and trigonometric ratios using full and half circles and a clock face. There have also been several improvements on the Numeric Calc menu. The first is the addition of GCD, or Greatest Common Divisor. This feature finds the highest common factor of 2 values. The second feature is the addition of LCM. This finds the least common multiple of 2 values. Finally, the recurring decimal template has been added. This enables calculations even without the dedicated key that the fx-83 GT-CW has. To complement the additional functionality, updates to existing features have been made. The format key easily changes the display of a calculated value. In response to user feedback, a single key press of format now toggles the standard to decimal format change, which should please teachers and students alike. The format menu has also been updated. This is now accessed by Shift and Format and includes the recurring decimal. This enables calculated results to be displayed as recurring decimals. If required, the usability of format can be changed in settings such that the menu appears with a single key press. Another significant change, made after much discussion and debate because of feedback, is the scientific key and how it is used. The calculation shown was previously calculated left to right and did not consider the input as two separate values, resulting in an incorrect value. Upon execution, the calculation now includes automatically added parentheses to explicitly indicate that there are only two values. This results in the intended answer that will be mathematically correct and visually obvious what order the operation has been calculated. This process can also accommodate calculated fractions. The calculation now includes parentheses, clearly indicating the calculation that has been performed, which will prove useful if either the numerator or denominator have more than one value. As well as adding recurring decimals to the format menu, ENG notation has been updated to standard form. This now allows true standard form representation of calculated values, which can also then be presented as a recurring decimal. The final update is the addition of the Shift Catalog menu. This is intended to allow faster navigation, as catalog functionality in notation form can be viewed quickly and easily. Selection can be made using the displayed shortcuts, and page scroll quickly shows more functionality. To enable more efficient use of this menu, we have ensured UK curriculum functionality is on the first page as much as possible. A common use may be to find percentages, using the shortcut from the first page. And a single format key press now shows a more useful decimal. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the new features of the fx-991CW plus UK specific handset. If you would like to know more about how to use it, please check out our other resources on the Casio Education UK website and YouTube.